Hey guys! Happy New Year! And welcome back to another episode of Lego Speed Champions Speed Build. Today I'm wearing red to pay tribute to one of the classic supercars. We have here today a Ferrari. This is an official Ferrari product, as you can see from the sticker here, that models after the 20 model year 3.9 liter twin turbo engine 720 horsepower Ferrari V8 Tributo. That's a mouthful. I just love this stunning red and I can't wait to build with you guys. Hey guys, so how do you like the build? I really enjoy my time building this 275 piece of a Ferrari vehicle. Now I get why they want this to be an official Ferrari product, because I mean, just look at the color. Isn't that stunning? I think it's just like the real production vehicle. And I love also the design of this model. From the front, you have a stingray, really sharp front fascia. You have a miniature figure in the cockpit with retractable side mirrors, and I just love this sexy sloping back of a staircase, only fitting for a Ferrari sports car. And in the rear, we have red lights followed by dual exhaust. This is just a perfect replica of the 2020 Tributo, and I hope you enjoyed the build with us. And remember to like and subscribe. I'm gonna put this away in my collection. See you guys next time. Bye!